slightly true.
So moving to
what was
section,
reported early on, U.S.
researchers
validation
were
and transferability for
U.S.
North
and
American
UK design
practices, and it refers to
it's often
effective entry
been
width
discussed
versus
and
actual
thought
entry
that
width
UK drivers
from a
are
capacity
more
perspective.
accustomed to roundabouts
And
because
so
they have lots of
the
roundabouts
U.S.
producing
we have
higher
widened
capacities,
entries shown
and
by
it
the
seems
red
like
arrow
a
here
reasonable
photo
that
if you put that into the old
that would
Rodel,
be true,
DOS-based Rodel,
perhaps they have different types of cars,
you'd get
and
capacities
that
up
would
at
affect
this
these,
red dashed line
to some
of about
extent.
1,800 vehicles
This
per
may
hour,
be,
which is slightly true,
but
around 700
so what was reported early on, U.S.
researchers,
researchers,
what was not understood was in the U.S.
and UK
that
design
is
practices,
what's referred to as
and
non-effective
refers to
entry
effective
width.
entry width.
So the entry
versus
effective
actual
entry width
is
from a
that
capacity
shown in the
perspective.
yellow arrow.
And so
entry.
the
And you
U.S.
can clearly
we have
see
widened
we have a single lane
entries shown by
circulating
the
and
red
single
arrow
lane
exit
exit
in this photo.
case.
So if you put
you
that
needed
into
to
the
understand
old
the
Rodel,
differences
DOS-based
between the
Rodel,
two. These were often
pre-2012,
confused.
you'd get capacities up at this
The new Rodel
dash
avoids all
line
this.
of about
It now
1,800
has
vehicles per hour,
bi-lane inputs, which determines your effective geometry,
around 700
which will avoid the incorrect
more
use
than what
that
we had been
could,
finding in the U.S.
What was not understood was in the U.S.
And interestingly,
what's
when you
referred
look
to as
back
non-effective
at
entry
Kimber's
width.
data and the data
So the entry
collected
effective
in the
entry
UK
width
on a
is
small
shown in the yellow arrow,
single lane entry
the
roundabout,
entry. Their
and you
data,
can clearly see
and
we have a single lane circulating and a single lane exit in this
very
in this
identical
case.
to our
So,
U.S. data.
You needed to
for
understand
small
the
single-lane
difference
roundabouts.
between the two. These were
So
often
if you look here
confused.
at a flared entry design,
The new
now
Rodel
that's where you're
avoids
getting
all
about
this.
the
It now
1,800
has
vehicles per hour
bi-lane
intercept
which
that
determines
was
your
being,
effective geometry
that had
which
been
will avoid the incorrect
incorrectly
use that
predicted
could
have
for a
occurred
single
with the previous
lane roundabout.
version.
So what that's actually modeling is a true flared entry roundabout, which is shown here on the right. And this is some FHW data. There's a separate work effort ongoing, TOPR 34, which is going to be used to develop a new updated HCM model that may be out in 2015 or early 2016
flared entry design.
Now that's where you're getting about the 1,800
with the
vehicles per hour
understanding, we've separately
that had been
looked at their data
incorrectly
to try to
compare
for a
Rodel's
single
predictions
lane
to
roundabout.
So what that's actually modeling
And
is
on
a
the left,
true
you see
flared
what's
entry roundabout, which is shown
urban
here
single
on
lane
the right.
roundabout. It has
this is some
smaller
FHW data.
diameter,
There's a
tighter
separate
entries, tighter radiuses,
work
and
effort
it gives
ongoing
a
TOPR
capacity line,
34, which
those
is going to be
capacity
used to
data
develop
is
a
in the
new
gray dots
updated
in the
HCM
graph
model.
below.
And
on the right-hand side is a larger curvilinear single lane roundabout, which gives a higher capacity.
With the
and so
understanding,
is able
we've
to
separately
the various
looked at their data
capacity
to try to
mechanisms that are
compare
occurring
Rodel's
within
predictions
just
to
a single lane
this
design
data.
from
And on
a
the left, you
smaller
see
urban
what's
compact
what
to
I'm
a
calling an
larger
urban single lane roundabout.
type of design.
It has
that's just overlaid
a little
with
smaller
the original
diameter, tighter entries.
So this
tighter
again
radiuses,
is a graph
and it
used
gives
by permission by
capacity
FHWA
line
that
those capacity data is in gray dots in the there is an ongoing effort.
And on the right-hand side is a larger
from what I'm showing
single lane
here,
roundabout
that
which
gives
going
a higher
to
capacity.
And so
FHWA
Rodel is
HCM
able to capture the
updated model.
various
But what they're
capacity
finding
mechanisms
in this
within,
work is
even within
the
just a
dashed
single
line
lane
here
design
is
from
the HCM
from
2010
smaller urban
capacity.
compact to a
Their
larger
data that they collected in
curvilinear
2012
type of design.
is showing
That's just overlaid
when
with
they
the
plot
original
lines to that
data.
and so this
fitting
again
lines
is a
straight
graph
or
used by
curvilinear
permission
lines,
by
showing an
FHWA
increasing
that
capacity.
wanted
They're
to
getting
reiterate
better
that
data than what they
there
had
is
in
an
the early
ongoing
2000s,
effort
which formed the basis for the
separate
2010
from what I'm showing here.
version,
And
of
so
course, that,
Rodel
is going to
allows you to
develop a
easily,
new,
and we'll look at this and
FHWA
look at the
HCM,
X and Y intercepts of
model.
the capacity.
But what they're finding
to compare
how
in
Rodel
this work
is
the
predicting
dashed
compared to
line
the US
here
data.
is the HCM.
And so this is
2010
for
capacity.
their data
two-lane entry roundabout
this is
is showing a two-lane entry roundabout. And Rodel
lines
is
to that data
right there
with
the
the
US
straight
data.
or curvilinear
And
lines.
so that
They're
gives
showing
us,
an increase in
a lot of
capacity.
confidence in its
They're
predictive
getting better
capabilities
data
than what they had in the early 2000s, which formed the basis for the 2010 version. And so Rodel allows you to easily, and we'll look at this and look at the X and Y intercepts of the capacity that's prediction. You can easily compare how Rodel is predicting compared to the US data. And so this is for a two-lane entry roundabout. This is one lane of a two-lane entry roundabout, and Rodel is right there with the US data. And so that gives us a lot of confidence in its predictive capabilities.